In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card to your Google Wallet. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. And Google Wallet is the one you would use if you want to pay in store. To get started, open up the Wallet app on your phone and click Add to Wallet. You have some options for different things you can add: payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, or gift card. We're just going to click Payment Card. I'll give you some options of card that you may have used before with Google, but I'm going to click Add a new credit or debit card. Then it's going to give you that scanner screen and you just hold your card underneath it. It should capture the numbers. Double check that you got the numbers right. Next, you'll need to add the CVC number, the 3-digit code from the back, and then click Save. It will then contact your bank, and every bank has its own terms and conditions. Scroll through this and agree to the terms and conditions from your bank using cards on a mobile payment system. Some banks may send you through a verification process where it might ask you to text a code to your phone or log into your mobile app. Once it's done, click Got It, and now you should see that card in your list of cards. Now that you've added the card, you can use Google Pay in store. And that is how to add a card to your Google Wallet. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.